श्रीशैलेशदयापात्रम् श्रीभक्त्यादिगुणार्णवम् वन्दे रम्यजामातरं मुनिम् लक्ष्मीनाथसमारम्भाम् नादयामुनमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम् यो नित्यमच्युतपदाम्बुजयुग्मरुक्म व्यामोहतस्तदितराणि तृणाय मेने अस्मद्गुरोर्भगवतोऽस्य दैकसिन्धोः रामानुजस्य चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये। यतिपतिप्रसादिनी व्याजहार यतिराजविंशतिम् तं प्रपन्न जनजातकाङ्कुलम् नौमि सौम्य वरयोगि पुङ्गवम् नौमि सौम्य वरयोगि पुङ्गवम् श्रीमाधवाङ्घ्रिजलजद्वयनित्यसेवा प्रेमाभिलाषय पराङ्कुशपादवर्गम् कामादिदोषहरमात्मपदाश्रितानां रामानुजं यतिपतिं प्रणमामि मूर्धा। श्रीमाधवाङ्घ्रिजलजद्वयनित्यसेवा प्रेमाभिलाषय पराङ्कुशपादवर्गम् कामादिदोषहरमात्मपदाश्रितानां रामानुजं यतिपतिं प्रणमामि मूर्धा। श्रीरङ्गराजचरणाम्बुजराजहंसं श्रीमत्पराङ्कुशपदाम्बुजभृङ्गराजम् श्रीभट्टनाथपरकालमुखाब्जनेत्रम् श्रीवत्सचिह्नचरणं यतिराजमीडे वाचा यतीन्द्रमनसा वपुषा च युष्मते पादारविन्दयुगलं भजतामुरूणाम् पुराधिनाथ पुरुकेशमुखाभ्यपुंसाम् पादानुचिन्तनपर सततं भवेयम् नित्यं यतीन्द्रतव दिव्यवपुस्तुतौ मे सक्तं मनो भवतु वाग्गुणकीर्तने सौकृत्यं च दास्यकरणे तु करद्वयस्य हृद्यन्तरेषु विमुखं करणत्रयं च अष्टाक्षराभ्यमनुरागपदत्रयार्थ इष्टा ममात्मवितराग्य यतीन्द्रनाथ शिष्टाग्रगण्य जनसेव्य भवत्पदाब्जे दृष्टा सुनित्यमनुभूय ममास्य बुद्धिः अल्पाप्तिमेन भवदीयपदाब्जभक्तिः शब्दादिभोगरुचिरन्ममेदते मत्पापमेव हि निदानममुष्य नान्यते तत्त्वालयाय यतिराज तयैव सिन्धो विद्यापशुर्नरवपुस्त्वमीदृशोऽपि सिद्ध्यादिसिद्धनिखिलात्मगुणाश्रयोऽयम् विद्याधरेण कृतिनोऽपि मितः प्रवक्तुम् अद्यापि वञ्चनपरो जगदीन्द्रवर्ते दुःखावमोहमनिशं तव दुष्टचेष्टः सप्ताधिभोगनिरत शरणागताख्यः त्वत्पादभक्तैः वसिष्ठजनौघमध्ये नित्याचरामि यतिराज ततोऽस्मि मूर्खः नित्यं त्वहं परिभवामि गुरुं च मन्त्रं तद्देवतामपि न किञ्चिदहो बिभेमि चित्तं षडोप्यषटवत् भवदीयसङ्गे तिष्ठश्चरामि यतिराज ततोऽस्मि मूर्खः आहन्त हन्त मनसा क्रियया च वाचा योऽहं चरामि सततं त्रिविधापचारान् सोऽहं तव प्रियकर प्रियकृत्वदेव कालं नयामि यतिराज ततोऽस्मि मूर्खः पापे कृते यदि भवन्ति भयानुतापः लज्जा पुनः करणमस्य कथं घटेत मोहेन मेन भवतीह भयादिलेशः तस्मात् पुनः पुनरगं यतिराज कुर्वे अन्तर्बहिः सकलवस्तुषु सन्तमीशम् अन्तःपुरस्थितमिवाहमवीक्षमाणः अन्तर्भवस्य हृदयस्तदं भवामि अन्तर्पदग्रगमनस्य यतीन्द्रनाथः तावत्रयीजनितदुःखनिपातिनोऽपि देहस्थितौ मम रुचिस्तु नरं निवृत्तौ वेदस्य कारणमहो मम पापमेव नाथ त्वमेव हरत यतिराज शीघ्रं वाचामगोचरमहागुणदेशिकाग्र पुरादिनाथकथिताखिलनैकपात्रम् तेजोऽहमेव न पुनर्जगदीदृशस्तत् रामानुजाय करुणैव तु मद्गतिस्ते शुद्धात्मया मुनर्गुरुतमपूरनाथ भट्टाद्यदेशिकवरोग्रसमस्तनैकम् अद्यासङ्कुचितमेव महीहलोके तस्मादिन्द्रकरुणैव तु मद्गतिस्ते शब्दादिभोगविषया रुचिरस्मदीया नष्टा भवद्भिः भवद्दयया यतीन्द्र श्रद्धा सदा सकणनाचरमावदौ यः तद्धा सदैकरसदा विरता ममास्तु शुद्धग्रवेद्यनिजदिव्यगुणस्वरूपः प्रत्यक्षतामुपगतस्त्रिहरङ्गराजः तस्य सदा भवति ते यतिराज तस्मात् शक्तस्वकीयजनपापविमोचने त्वम् कालत्रयेऽपि करणत्रयनिर्मितादि पापक्रियस्य शरणं भगवत्क्षमेव सा च त्वयैव कमला रमणेति गायत् क्षेमस्य विवक्षितश्च स्मारण्यशरणो भवति ज्ञात्वा इति यदि कुलदुर्यमेधमानैः श्रुतिमधुरैरुदितैः प्रहर्षयन्तम् सरवरमुनिमेव चिन्तयन्ति मदिर्यमेति निरत्ययं प्रसादम् इति यदि कुलदुर्यमेधमानैः श्रुतिमधुरैरुदितैः प्रहर्षयन्तम् सरवरमुनिमेव चिन्तयन्ति मदिर्यमेति निरत्ययं प्रसादम्
जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमते रामानुजाय नमः। श्रीभाष्यकार भवविदुर भक्तमन्दारा निपाद पद्मदासुलमगुमम्बु ब्रोवरा। श्रीभाष्यकार भवविदुर भक्तमन्दारा निपाद पद्मदासुलमगुमम्बु ब्रोवरा। श्रीभाष्यकार भवविदुर भक्तमन्दारा बहुदुर्शमो भवति मुनिगे दొరలు చుంటిమే। बहुदुर्शमो भवति मुनिगे दొరలు చుంటిమే। మా దుష్ట చేష్టలన్నీ కృపతో క్షమింపుమా। మా దుష్ట చేష్టలన్నీ కృపతో క్షమింపుమా। కనికరముంచి బ్రోవుమా। సుమభూషమో భవత్పదాబ్జ పూజల సగుమా। సుమభూషమో భవత్పదాబ్జ పూజల సగుమా। కనుమా వినుమా అనుమానమా మహాత్మమమ్మనుగ్రహింపుమా। కనుమా వినుమా అనుమానమా మహాత్మమమ్మనుగ్రహింపుమా। श्रीभाष्यकार भवविदुर भक्तमन्दारा निपाद पद्मदासुलमगुमम्बु ब्रोवरा। श्रीभाष्यकार भवविदुर भक्तमन्दारा करुणिंपुमो कृपानिलय कान्तिमतय शरणनुचु निन्नु नम्मितिमो सद्गुणालय। परिपूर्ण विश्वमानव सौभाग्यभावमुन् परमार्थ तन्दलंचि एल्लवारि कादृतिं परमाश्चर्यमौगतिं। परमन्त्रराज मुसिगि कीर्ति बरगिनावहो। परमन्त्रराज मुसिगि कीर्ति बरगिनावहो। करुणावरना करिनारायणार्य विनुत कावगरारा। करुणावरना करिनारायणार्य विनुत कावगरारा। श्रीभाष्यकार भवविदुर भक्तमन्दारा निपाद पद्मदासुलमगुमम्बु ब्रोवरा। श्रीभाष्यकार भवविदुर भक्तमन्दारा ஆழ்வார் எம்பெருமானார் ஜீர் திருவடிகளே சரணம். ஜெய் ஸ்ரீமன்னாராயணா.
भगवन्नारायण अभिमतानुरूप स्वरूप रूप गुणविभवैश्वर्य शीलाद्यनवधिकातिशय असंख्येय कल्याण गुणगण पद्मवनालय भगवती श्रियं देवीं नित्यानपायिनी निरवद्यां देवदेव दिव्यमहिषीम् अखिल जगन्मातरम् अस्मन्मातरम् अशरण्य शरण्याम् अनन्यशरणः शरणमहं प्रपद्ये
Jai Shri Narayana. My name is Swati. And my name is Varsha. Today we will be singing Jai Kanti Mataya. Jai Kanti Mataya, Jai Karuna Nilaya, Shubhishala Hridaya, Shubha Gunalaya, Bahupara, Jai Kanti Mataya, Jai Karuna Nilaya, Shubhishala Hridaya, Shubha Gunalaya, Bahupara, Jai Kanti Mataya, Jai Karuna Nilaya. Nidu matamu nidiyutamu, nidu matamu nidiyutamu, nikila viditamu. Nidu matamu nidiyutamu, nikila viditamu. Vedanutamu vishvahitamu digadanuritamu. Vedanutamu vishvahitamu digadanuritamu. Vipula jagadabhimatiyutamu vinaya bharitamu. Vipula jagadabhimatiyutamu vinaya bharitamu. Bahupara, Jai Kanti Mataya, Jai Karuna Nilaya, Shubhishala Hridaya, Shubha Gunalaya. Bahupara, Jai Kanti Mataya, Jai Karuna Nilaya. Vashakarya Monivarya, Vashakarya Monivarya, Vijayi Bhavavo. Vashakarya Monivarya, Vijayi Bhavavo. Venkatesha Shankachakra Vitarana Chanavo. Venkatesha Shankachakra Vitarana Chanavo. Shubha Pradanarayana Shukha Vinoda Pada. Shubha Pradanarayana Shukha Vinoda Pada. Bahupara, Jai Kanti Mataya, Jai Karuna Nilaya, Shubhishala Hridaya, Shubha Gunalaya. Bahupara, Jai Kanti Mataya, Jai Karuna Nilaya, Shubhishala Hridaya, Shubha Gunalaya. Bahupara, Jai Kanti Mataya, Jai Karuna Nilaya.
Jai Shivan Narayana. Adiyan Ramanujadasan. Adiyan Kuram Kidambi and Irvin Ramanan. Today I'll be saying a story on Acharya Abhimaname Uddarakam, a story on Kuratarvan and Ramanuja. The story starts off in the palace of where the Sora king lives. The Sora king demanded that everyone sign that Shiva was supreme and Shiva was above all others. And he got many people to sign. But one of his ministers, Naluran, said, "This is nothing unless you get Ramanuja to sign it." So the Sora king demanded that Ramanuja was brought to the palace immediately. So he sent out soldiers to bring Ramanuja from Srirangam. Ramanuja at that time was taking a bath, and Kuratarvan, knowing the risks, disguised himself as Ramanuja wearing the saffron cloth and went with Periyanambi to the palace. When Kuratarvan got to the palace, the Sora king demanded he write Shivat Parataram Nasti, which means Shiva greater than all others. And Kuratarvan, knowing that Shivam was also a measurement, wrote down Dronamasti Tatapparam, which as in Dronam was bigger, which was a bigger measurement than Shiva. The Sora king got furious and demanded their eyes plucked out. Kuratarvan said that it's a papam seeing you. So he plucked his own eyes out and threw it at the king. This is how we learned how much respect Kuratarvan had for his Acharya Ramanuja and how he saved the Sri Vaishnava Sampradaya. Jai Srimanarayana. Adiyen Kuram Kidambi Arvind Ramanan. Adiyen Ramanujadatsan.
Jai Shrimanarayana. ஆதிசேஷனம் சமடி ஆண்டாளி அண்ணனடி ஆள வந்தார் கடிமயடி கிளியே எங்களி ராமானுசனடி கிளியே சுவாமியதிராசனடி ஆதிசேஷனம் சமடி ஆண்டாளின் அண்ணனடி ஆள வந்தார் கடிமயடி கிளியே எங்களி ராமானுசனடி கிளியே சுவாமியதிராசனடி அரங்கனின் அடிமையடி வேங்கடத்து வேடியனடி பெரும்புதூர் வல்லலடி கிளியே எங்களி ராமானுசனடி கிளியே சுவாமியதிராசனடி தேவராஜதாசனடி பாதசாரதி புத்திரனடி பாருக்கெல்லாம் தெய்வமடி கிளியே எங்களி ராமானுசனடி கிளியே சுவாமியதிராசனடி நரனனை காட்டினாண்டி செல்வ பிள்ளைக்கு தந்தையடி வைரமுடி சாற்றினாண்டி கிளியே எங்களி ராமானுசனடி கிளியே சுவாமியதிராசனடி சென்னியில் சூடுவாரை வைகுந்தத்தில் வாழ வைக்கும் உயும் வழியதுவே கிளியே எங்களி ராமானுசனடி கிளியே சுவாமியதிராசனடி சென்னியில் சூடுவாரை வைகுந்தத்தில் வாழ வைக்கும் உய்யும் வழியதுவே கிளியே எங்கள் ராமானுசனடி கிளியே சுவாமி அதிராசனடி எங்கள் ராமானுசனடி கிளியே சுவாமி அதிராசனடி எங்கள் ராமானுசனடி கிளியே சுவாமி அதிராசனடி.
Jai Shri Narayana. My name is Jyoti Kupali. I am in 7th grade, a student of Pragya, Noel Chapter, Michigan. I would like to thank my Acharya, His Holiness Sri Chinnajir Swamiji, for giving me this opportunity. We are here to celebrate over 1,000 years of equality. Do you know who's the inventor of the theory of equality? It is our beloved leader, Bhagavad Ramanuja. He is the 10th century saint, a great visionary and spiritual leader. Ramanuja Acharya Swamiji propounded equality through Vishishadvaita. Ramanuja said everyone is equal before God. We know Ramanuja as a spiritual leader, but he is more than that. Ramanuja is the first one in the history of mankind to fight against equality. He is the father of equality. Ramanuja is the great social reformer and an able administrator, civil rights leader. He revolutionized education system. Ramanuja established 106 centers of equality excellence. He's an animal rights activist. Ramanuja established roots for women empowerment. Bhagavad Ramanuja is the Spurti for the Statue of Equality, a mega center of equality excellence located at Shamshabad, Hyderabad. This is the first and only statue for equality. This is also the second biggest sitting statue in the world. It hosts a grand hall of fame of world leaders who stood and fought for equality. From the teachings of Ramanuja, our Chinnajir Swamiji gave us two wonderful mottos: serve all beings as service to God, and worship your own, respect all. We follow these mottos at Jet, Pragya, and Vijay Seva, and many of us reap the fruits from this practice. His Holiness Sri Padajir Swamiji was a pioneer, inspirer, and pathmaker in the world of spirituality. His work is a pure reflection of his mind, and his mind followed the path laid down by none other than the divine Sri Bhagavad Ramanuja Acharya Swami. Our beloved Sri Chinnajir Swamiji extended the same opportunity to every person to become a part of the service to God, conducting many social, spiritual, and service activities across the world. The fights against inequality started around 1,000 years back by the epitome of equality, Bhagavad Ramanuja. He did not start a mere social movement, but a real transformation from the peak of the highest educational institutions of the time, the temples. Ramanuja is the one who made sure that most educationally and economically disadvantaged people, called Harijans in those days, were able to enter the temples with pride. Ramanuja also revolutionized the complete education system by preaching the most sacred and highest education of all time, Narayana Mantram, to everyone who desires it. Do you know one very scary thing? 1,000 years back, not everyone has the privilege to learn and perform in the world. Other than elite groups, whoever chanted the name of the Lord was severely punished. Ramanuja changed it for good. Because of Ramanuja, millions of people across the world are able to chant Hari, Rama, and Krishna bhajans. Billions are able to chant Vishnu Sahasranamam, and trillions are able to run programs like Pragya, Jet, Vijay Seva, Red Cross, and other community service organizations. After 400 years of Ramanuja, Manavalla Muni led the Vedic lineage of Bhagavad Ramanuja. Further, after 500 years, towards the modern era, it is only Sri Padajir Swamiji who strived a lot in spreading the divine messages to every corner of the world. Like Ramanuja, Sripadajir Swamiji led many social movements to eliminate superstitions and authentic practices that were existing in the society. Many followed Ramanuja's teachings and gave us this 21st century. Swami Vivekananda was greatly inspired by Ramanuja's workings and wished that he had a similar heart to Bhagavad Ramanuja. Do you know one great thing? Our grandparents used to name their children like Srimanarayana, Charyulu, Krishnama Charyulu, Narsimha Bhaskarya Charyulu, Bharat Kumara Charyulu, and so on. Apart from this, we also call ourselves as Ramanuja Dasa or Dasi. To honor the great Ramanuja, His Holiness Chinnagiri Swamiji is unveiling a statue of Ramanuja of 216 feet in Hyderabad in the year of Plava and during the month of February 2022, and it's called the Statue of Equality. I would like to take this opportunity to invite you all to the inauguration ceremony and also be part of it by visiting www.statueofequality.org. We are very grateful to His Holiness Sri Chinnagiri Swamiji for giving this wonderful opportunity to enlighten us with the glory of Ramanuja. Jai Shri Narayana. Signing off, Jayatri Kompali.
அவருக்கு மங்களாசாசனம் செய்யும் பாடல் பார்ப்போம். வைகுண்டபதிதன்னில் ஆதிசேஷன் வைதேகி ராமன கோகில குமரன் வைகுண்டபதிதன்னில் ஆதிசேஷன் வைதேகி ராமன கோகில குமரன் வைகுண்டபதிதன்னில் ஆதிசேஷன் வைதேகி ராமன கோகில குமரன் கீதை சொன்ன கண்ணனுக்கு
Jai Shrimanarayana. My name is Supraja Patangi. I am from Jet, Michigan, and today I am going to be playing Aindu Thalai Pambil on the alto saxophone. Jai Shrimanarayana.
श्रीशैलेशदयापात्रं धीभक्त्यादिगुणार्णवं यतीन्द्रप्रवणं वन्दे रम्यजामातरं मुनिम् अखिलात्मगुणावासम् अज्ञानतिमिरापहम् आश्रितानां सुशरणं वन्दे अनन्तार्यदेशिकं श्रीमद्रामानुजाचार्यश्रीपादाम्बोरुहद्वयं सदुत्तमाङ्गसन्तार्यम् अनन्तार्यम् अहं भजे यो नित्यमच्युतपदाम्बुजैक्मरुक्म व्यामोहदसैतराणि तृणाय मेने अस्मद्गुरोर्भगवतोऽस्य दयैकसिन्धोः रामानुजस्य शरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये. Jai Sriman Narayana. Dear devotees, Adiyan has been told to give a brief talk on Sri Ramanujacharya Swami. Now the talk is only for a short time, but the subject is vast. Swami's greatness cannot be measured by anybody, cannot be spoken by anybody, let alone a person like me, especially in such a short amount of time. Nevertheless, it is our duty to try to celebrate Swami Because even though we know that we cannot say it, that does not mean we should not try. In fact, we should try. Because no matter how long we speak, no matter how much we say, we cannot complete the task. So there is no difference between a small talk versus a long talk. In the end, the result is the same. But that does not mean, again, like I said, we should not stop trying. In fact, our acharyas say that that is exactly what we should do. There's a word for it called kalakshepam. In Tamil, we say poludupokku. In general, it gets associated with spending time or wasting time. But really what it means is not wasting time, but using that time. Kalam kshepam. Kalam is time, kshepam is spending it. So we spend our time in the celebration of our Acharya's glory. That is not a wasted time. In fact, that is the only use for that time. So from that perspective, we should try to speak of Swami's greatness. And as Krishna says, Bodhayanta Parasparam, this is something we talk to each other and we try to learn something out of it and say that the time that has been spent is valuable because of that. Now it is appropriate that we talk about Swami close to the month of Chittirai, because it is in that month that Swami was born in this world. In the Tirunakshatram of Tiruvadirai, in the month of Chittirai, Swami was born. Now, how do we celebrate Swami? There are many ways to do it. We can talk about his life history, we can talk about all the things that he did, how he came to this world, what are the effects that we see because of that, what he did for the Sampradayam and so on. But instead of just doing that out of our own minds, we can try to use some other Acharya's words and see what that Acharya said about Ramanuja. So that would be one way to do it. So in the month of Chittirai, there are many Acharyas who were born, and one of them is Pillai Lokam Jiyar, who was born in the Shravana Nakshatram in the same month. Now Pillai Lokam Jiyar has written a lot of commentaries to works that others have not commented on, and he's also written some granthams. So if you look at the commentaries that he has written commentaries for the Taniyans for the Nalayara Divya Prabandham. He's written commentary for Upadesa Rattanamalai of Manavala Mamanigal, Tiruvayur Nuttandadi, Ramanuja Nuttandadi, and so on. So if we take one of those commentaries, which is about Swami Ramanuja, then it would be good, because then we would have celebrated Ramanuja's greatness through the commentary of Pillai Lokam Jiyar, who was also born in the same month. Now, if we take that one step further and try to make it even more interesting, even more enjoyable, we can try to look at the work of Swami Manavala Mamanigal about Swami Ramanuja, for which Pillai Lokam Jiyar has written a commentary. So if you look in that regard, we see that there are two works. One is Yatiraja Vimshati, which is written in Sanskrit, and one is a work called Arti Prabandham. That was written in Tamil. So both are about Swami Ramanuja, both were written by Swami Manavala Mamanigal, and both have commentaries from Pillai Lokam Jiyar. Now, the work Yatiraja Vimshati was written by Manavala Mamanigal at a very young age, under the guidance of his Acharya Thiruvaimozhi Pillai. Thiruvaimozhi Pillai told Manavala Mamanigal to express the greatness of Ramanuja, that he should do certain activities in Alvar Tirunagari. And one of them was to write a work on Swami, which came to be known as Yatiraja Vimshati. Manavala Mamanigal also rebuilt a town around Ramanuja Sannidhi in Alvar Tirunagari, that is known as Ramanuja Chaturvedi Mangalam, and For both of those, Thiruvaimozhi Pillai celebrated Manavada Mamanigal and called him Yatindra Pravana, one who is so immersed in Yatindra, who is Swami Ramanuja. So that is one work we can take, because that has a commentary by Pidalokam Jiyar. The other work, known as Arti Prabandham, that was written by Swami at a much later age, and that is in Tamil, and in which Swami expresses his desire and anguish in being in this world and his desire to be with Ramanuja, and he pleads with Ramanuja to lift him. So we could take that work and also look at something in there for us to have a good experience with. Now, because this is close to the month of Chitrai and the Tirunakshatram of Swami Ramanuja, I thought it would be appropriate to take a work from the later one, take a verse from the later one, and use that, because one of the verses in Arti Prabandham is actually about the Tirunakshatram of Swami Ramanuja. And so if we take that work, we can see what Manavada Mamanigal says about the divine birthday of Ramanuja and the commentary for that by Pidalokam Jiyar. And this makes it triply enjoyable for us, because it is the work of Ramanuja by his Aparavatara, who is Manavada Mamanigal, for which Pidalokam Jiyar was born in the same month as Ramanuja, has written a commentary. So that makes it, like I said, triply enjoyable. The work is known as Arti Prabandham because it expresses the great Arti, the great desire, the extreme emotional state of Manavada Mamanigal. And that is a state that all of us try to get to. Now, there are very many different verses in that. And around the 30th verse, Manavada Mamanigal starts celebrating or doing Mangala Shashanam to Ramanuja by first celebrating his divine form, where he says, Sirarum Itirasa Thiruvadigal Vali, Thiruvarayil Satya Sentuvaradai Vali, Yerarum Seyyavadivi Eppozhudum Vali, and so on. That he celebrates the divine form, the body of Swami Ramanuja, and the dress he is wearing, and the Yajnopaveetam that he is wearing, and so on. He is not the only one to do that, because we also see the same thing done by Kurattalvan and Mudalai Andan and other acharyas in the work called Dhati Panchakam. There are 5 verses in there. Some people say it was written by one acharya, some people say it was written by 5 acharyas. We will take it was written by 5 acharyas who were direct disciples of Swami Ramanuja, and in there also they celebrate his divine form. Because in our Sampradayam we say that the duty or the responsibility of the acharya is to take care of the soul's journey of his disciple, and the disciple's duty and responsibility is to take care of the body of his acharya. That's why even the Vali Tirunamam for Manavada Mamanigal, Sayyatamarai, Thalinai Valiye, Selai Vali, Tirunabi Valiye, that we all recite every day, if you notice that it celebrates the form of Manavada Mamanigal, because that is the responsibility of the disciple. We do Mangala Shashanam to the body of the acharya, because that is all we can do. We are not responsible for their soul's journey, because that is the responsibility of their acharya. Manavada Mamanigal himself says the same thing in Upadesathamalai, saying, Acharyan Chichan Aaruyirai Penumavan, Tesarum Chichan Avan Sirvadivai Nokkumavan. So the responsibility of the acharya is to take care of the disciple's soul, Aaruyirai Penumavan, and the responsibility of the Sishya is to take care of the body, where he says, Chichan Avan Sirvadivai Nokkumavan. He looks at the beautiful, divine, glorious body and its qualities of the body of his acharya. So that is what Manavada Mamanigal has done in this Arti Prabandham also, by celebrating Ramanuja's form. Then he does another Mangala Shashanam, Arusamai Chediyane Adiyarathan Valiye, and says he was born in Sri Perambur. So those are the 30th and 31st verses. But what is of interest to us today is the 32nd verse, which we call as the Nal Pattu, which is the verse for the day on which the Acharya was born. The verse goes like this: Shankara, Bhaskara, Yadava, Bhatta, Prabhagar, Tangal Madam, சாய்வுற வாதியர் மாய்கவர் என்று சதுமறை வாழ்ந்திடுநாள் வெங்கலி இங்கினி வீறு நமக்கிளை என்ன மிகத் தடநாள் மேதின் நம் சுவை ஆறுமெனத் துயர் விட்டு விளங்கிய நாள் மங்கையராளி பராங்குச முன்னவர் வாழ்வு முளைத்திடுநாள் மன்னிய தென் அரங்காபுரி மாமரை மத்தும் உவந்திடுநாள் செங்கையல் பாவிகள் சூழ்வயல் நாளும் சிறந்த பெரும்பூதூர் சீமான் இளையாழ்வார் வந்தொருளிய நாள் திருவாதிரை நாளே. திருவாதிரை நாள். That is the day in which the Sriman Ilayalvar, Sriman who is Ramanuja, was born on that day. And he was born in Sri Perumbudur. That is what the ending line of this verse says. Now, Manavada Mamanigal has celebrated the birthday of Ramanuja in Upadesatnamali also, in 3 different verses. So one of them goes as Innulagir Chittirayil Eintha Thiruvathirinaal என்னையினும் இதனைக் கேத்தமென்தான் என்னவர்க்குச் சாத்துகின்றேன் கேள்வின் எதிராசத்தம் பிறப்பால் நாத்திசையும் கொண்டாடும் நாள். All directions celebrate this birthday of Swami Ramanuja. Because he says this day has become special because of the birth of Ramanuja. Then he says, ஆழ்வார்கள் தாங்கள் அவதரித்த நாள்களிலும் வாழ்வான நாள் நமக்கு மண்ணுலகி எழுபாரும் உய்ய எத்திராச உதித்தருளும் சித்திரையில் செய்ய திருவாதிரை. So he says this day is more special, even more special than the birthdays of the Alvars. Then he says, எந்த எதிராசர் இவ்வுலகில் எந்த மக்கா வந்துரித்த நாள் என்னும் ஆசையினால் இந்த திருவாதிரையின் சேர்வதனை நெஞ்சே உருவாமல் எப்பொழுதும் ஓர். He says, Ramanuja was born in this world for our sake. Therefore, this day is great for us. So he celebrates it in 3 different verses, but he does not explain what did Ramanuja do. What was the effect of his birth in this world to make that day special. And to do that, he has explained that in this verse of Arti Prabandha. So let's look at the meanings of this verse using the commentary of Pillalokam Jiyer to see the specialness of this day. So the first line says, Shankara, Bhaskara, Yadava, Bhatta, Prabhakar, Tangal Badam, Saivura. Saivura means they fall. What is falling? What is being removed? What is being destroyed is the matam, the sampradayam, the philosophy of 6 different people. Previous verse itself, he said, Arusamaya Chediyadanai Adiyaruthan Valiye. Arusamayam, the 6 matams. The chedi means, it's like a weed. Adiyaruthan, he removed it with the root so that they cannot survive in this world. But who are the 6 people? That was not explained there. In fact, there are people who start saying, some other types of religions are the ones that Ramanuja removed and so on. But Manavada Mamanigal clearly explains it is not, matams like Shaivism or Sakyam or Ganapatyam and so on. He's talking about 6 philosophies. Philosophy of Shankara, the philosophy of Bhaskara, the philosophy of Yadava Prakasha, Bhatta, Prabhakar, and so on. Now, interestingly, there's a story here because in the life of Kanchi Swami, Sri Uve Prativadi Bhayankaram Annangaracharya Swami, a great Swami who lived in the 20th century, he tells that there was one time one person came to him and said, hey, your Acharya has said Arisame Chedi, that there are 6 matams, and then he's telling what those 6 matams are, but he's only used 5 names. He's talking about Shankara, Bhaskara, Yadava Prakasha, Bhatta and Prabhakara. Where is the 6th person? Has your Acharya made a mistake? And Annangaracharya Swami records in his autobiography that he told that person, no, there are 6 people mentioned here. Read the line carefully again. That person said, I'm reading, I don't see 6 names. He said, read it again. And so he said, okay, Shankara, Bhaskara, Yadava, Bhatta, Prabhakar, Tangal Badam. He says, I see only 5 names. But he says, before the word matam, there is a 5th word. Yeah, he says, there's a 5th word. Tangal. Tangal means theirs. He says, no, not theirs. He said, it's yours. Tangal also means yours. It says, your matam. And that person said, what do you mean by my matam? I don't have a philosophy. And Swami laughed at him and said, yes, you do. The philosophy of trying to find fault with our Acharya's words. That kind of philosophy is also destroyed by Manavada Mamanigal. So when he started laughing, that person apparently got up and ran away. But anyway, the point is that the 6 philosophies, and we will not get into the details of what those philosophies are because it will become a lengthy conversation. But like, the Mayavadam, atheism and so on. Those are all included in here. And Manohara Maunikal says that Ramanuja destroyed that, Saivura. But not only he destroyed the philosophies, he also destroyed the people who try to prop up that philosophy. Either the guys who established or the people who follow them, they keep trying, right? They're saying this is what it is true, and they try to keep propping it up. So he says, Vaidiyar Maiguvar. The Vadiyars, the Vatis who try to say that this is right, they also will suffer. They also will fall apart. So the 6 matams are removed, and the proponents of those matams are also condemned by Ramanuja. And what is the result of that is that Sadumarai Valandidanal. The 4 Vedas, they now live because of that. The Vedas become happy. In Ramanuja also, Amudana Tiruvarangatamudana says that the Vedas Kaliputtradu. When the Vatis of these matams were removed, the Veda Purushan said, I am happy now. Somebody has come who is now correctly interpreting what I have to say. We see the same thing in Kuratalvan's Taniyan also, where they say, Yaduktayas Trayi Kante Yanti Mangala Sutratam. That the Veda Mata feels that she has her Mangalya Sutram is saved by the works of Kuratalvan. Similarly, the Veda Purushan or the Veda Mata here says, I am become happy because now someone is doing the right interpretations by condemning these people who are known as Kudrishtis. Kudrishtis means one who cannot see straight. Drishti is seeing, Kudrishti is not seeing straight, seeing incorrectly. And that's what they do. They are misinterpreting the Vedas. They are following Vedas, but they are interpreting it in the wrong fashion. Then the next line says, Vengali ingu ini veeru namakkila endru migathadarnal. Now the Vedas are becoming happy and they are standing up. At the same time, Kali Purusha is falling down saying that my strength is gone. Veer is strength. His strength is now been reduced. The arrival of Ramanujacharya was predicted by Swami Nammalvar in his Thiruvaimozhi, where he says, Kaliyum kedum kandu konmin. That was predicted by Nammalvar long before Ramanuja's time, that an Acharya is going to come and that Acharya is going to remove the strength of Kali. And that's why the Vigraham of Ramanuja, which was, that area was, as I said before, was restored by Manohara Maunikal as Ramanuja Chaturvedi Mangalam. That Vigraham is known as Bhavishyad Acharya Vigraham. Bhavishyad is future, the future Acharya's Vigraham, because when Madhurakavi Alvar asked for a Vigraham of Nammalvar to keep, when Nammalvar decided to leave this world, a Vigraham of Ramanuja came first before Nammalvar's Vigraham came. And when Madhurakavi Alvar asked who this was, Nammalvar said, this is the Acharya who is going to come in the future. So that Acharya was Ramanuja. That Vigraham is still there in Alvar Tirunari. So if we all go there, we should be able to pray to that Vigraham. And that Vigraham is known as Bhavishyad Acharya Vigraham. Nammalvar said that Kali will lose its power because of this Acharya's birth. And that is the same thing that here Manohara Maunikal says. Venkali is Kruramana Kali, one which is a torturous Kali. But even that torturous Kali loses its strength because of the arrival of Ramanuja in this world. So this day has reduced the strength of Kali. What is the effect of that? Medini. Medini is this world. Nam Sumai says, my burden Arumena Tuyar Vittu Vilanginal. Says, okay, now my burden is reduced and therefore my suffering goes down. I am also happy. So Kali loses its strength and suffers, and the world says my suffering is gone and becomes happy. Same thing we saw before. The 6 matams, they lost their strength and they fell apart, and the 4 Vedas became happy. So he says, Medi nam sumai arumena tuyar vittu vilanginal. The world says, my burden is reduced by the arrival of Ramanuja by this day. Arum means, it's called in Tamil Vinay Togai, which means it has happened in the past, it's happening now, it's going to happen in the future. All 3 are used under the one word. And that's what happened. When by Ramanuja's birth, the strength of Kali was destroyed then. But Kali is strong, so it continues to try to dominate. So it's being, even now its strength is being reduced, it's being weakened by Ramanuja. And in the future too, it will keep happening. So as long as the Kali Yuga is running, this effect is going to stay. Not only the whole world, he says, the people in the world, especially some specific people, they also feel that their greatness has been enhanced by Ramanuja's birth. And the examples Manavar Mamadi gives here are Mangayar Ali Parankusa Munnavar, Thirumangai Alvar, Parankusha Muni, who is Nammalvar, and so on. Not just those two, but this is Munnavar, all the Alvars and Acharyas before Ramanuja's time, including all the, his own Acharyas, the 5 Acharyas that he had, the Panchacharyas, Yamunitwaravan, who was Alavandar, who was their Acharya before, Nathamunigal, and so on, and also all the other Alvars. All of them feel that their greatness has been enhanced by the arrival of Ramanuja, and therefore this day makes it special. He says not only that, the Divya Desams also enjoy this day. Manniya ten Arangaburi Mamalai Mattum Uvandidinal. He says ten Arangam, Srirangam, Mamalai, which is Thiruvengadam. And he says Mattum, which means not only those two, but all the Divya Desams, all the Kshetrams, all the divine places. And when we say places, we also mean all the Sri Vaishnavas who live in those places. They all become very happy. Mattum Uvandidinal. They all enjoy this particular day. And what is that day? That is the day in which Ramanuja was born in Sri Perumbudur. Sengayal Bavigal Sool Vayal Nadum Serenda Perumbudur. The Sri Perumbudur, which is surrounded by the beautiful fields, just like the same thing is said about Srirangam and all the other Divya Desams. The same thing is said about Sri Perumbudur also. In such a Sri Perumbudur, this Ilayalvar, this Swami Ramanuja, who's Shriman, he uses the word Seeman Ilayalvar, which is Shriman Ilayalvar, Vandaruliyanal. He came and was born on this day, which is Tiruvadarinal. Interestingly, Manavala Mamadi uses the word Shriman here. What is Shriman? In our Sampradayam, we notice this word used on some occasions for certain people in Puranas, by Acharyas and Alvars and so on. So one of them is Lakshmana is called Shriman because he is Lakshmano Lakshmi Sampannaha. He is one who is full of Lakshmi. But what we also use the word Shriman very casually for a lot of us. We put the title in front of people. But in this world, we see usually Shriman means one who has got a lot of worldly wealth. That's not the wealth that is being talked about here. When we say Lakshmana was full of that wealth, Shri, we're not talking about having gold and silver and diamonds and so on, or a lot of money. He had the wealth that is Kainkaryam, which is service to Perumal. He said, Aham Sarvam Karishyami. He was living in the forest all by himself, supporting Rama and Sita, and he was full of Shri. Because he said, I will do all kinds of service to you. And he did. And that's why he is known as Lakshmana. We also see the word Shriman used for Gajendra Alvan, who was actually suffering, had nothing but a lotus in his trunk, and that he was trying to give to Perumal. And that state of mind of doing service made him be called Shriman. Very interestingly, Valmiki Maharishi calls Rudra as Shriman because he told Rama not to go back to Vaikuntham, but instead go back to Ayodhya and rule from there and make all the people there happy for a long time. And for that, Valmiki Maharishi calls him as Shriman. So that is the service he did. So Ilayalvar, who is Ramanuja, is also called Shriman because he did great service to Perumal. In the previous verse, where Manavala Mamadi does Mangala Shashanam to Ramanuja, he says, he actually Tennaranga Sellamuttum Thiritti Vaithan Valiye. All the wealth of Sri Ranganatha, that he made it all good and steady. Anything that was lost and so on, that was all corrected by Ramanuja and made to run properly in Sriranga. We say Sriranga Shri. Sriranga Shriyam Anubhadramam Anudinam Samvardhaya. Every day that Sriranga Shri should grow as per the command of Ramanuja. And that is the wealth he corrected. But what is the wealth of Ranganatha? பொங்கோதம் சூழ்ந்த புவனியம் விண்ணுலகம் அங்காதும் சோராமே ஆழ்கின்ற எம்பெருமான் says ஆண்டாள். The world surrounded by the oceans, this world and the other world, Sri Vaikuntham. When we say this world, this means this entire Leela Vibhuti, and Sri Vaikuntham is Nitya Vibhuti. Both of them together are corrected and made proper by Ramanuja, because that was given to him by Namberumal himself, who called him Udayavar. Udayavar is one who owns it. What does he own? He owns the running of Leela Vibhuti and Nitya Vibhuti both. And so the wealth of Ranganatha itself was given to him, and he was told to make that correct, and he did that. Tennaranga Selvam Muttum, all the wealth of Sri Ranganatha, Tirithi Vaitan Valiye, he made it correct. And that is why Manavala Mavanigal says he is Sriman. So in this verse, therefore, Manavala Mavanigal celebrates the divine day in which Ramanuja was born, and explains why that day is good for this world and to all of us. And the meanings of this verse were explained by Swami Pilla Lokamjiya, which we use today to look through the meanings and understand a little bit of the greatness of Swami Ramanuja. So let us all celebrate this day, not only this year, not only in the month of Chitrai, but every month, the Tiruvadara Nakshatram we should celebrate. Every day we celebrate Ramanuja, we say Vartadam Abhivartadam, by celebrating his greatness every day. And that is all we can do to spend our time, which is the Kalakshema that I spoke about early in the beginning. I thank everyone for this opportunity to present a little bit on the greatness of Swami Ramanuja, and for Jet USA for asking me to give a brief talk like this. Let us all join together and celebrate Swami Ramanuja by saying Jai Swami Ramanuja, Jai Sriman Narayana. Alvar Embedumana Jiya Tiruvillesharam, Adiyen Madhura Kavidasan.
Jayam Jayam Ramanuja, Jayam Jayam Ramanuja, Jayam Jayam Ramanuja, Digvijayam Yatiraja, Jayam Jayam Ramanuja, Jayam Jayam Lakshmana Muni, Digvijayam Udayavare, Jayam Jayam Lakshmana Muni, Digvijayam Udayavare, Jayam Jayam Ramanuja, Jayam Jayam Ramanuja. Narayana Murtiye Karunincharu, Aditeshude Digivacharu. Narayana Murtiye Karunincharu, Aditeshude Digivacharu. Panchayudammulo కలిసొచ్చాయి, ఇవి అన్నీ భూమికొచ్చి ఒకటయ్యాయి. పంచాయుధమ్ములు కలిసొచ్చాయి, ఇవి అన్నీ భూమికొచ్చి ఒకటయ్యాయి. మన రామానుజమూర్తిగా అవతరించాయి, మన రామానుజమూర్తిగా అవతరించాయి. జయం జయం రామానుజా. కేశవాలు తండ్రిగా ఎంచుకున్నారు, ఫాతిమని తల్లిగా స్వీకరించారు. కేశవాలు తండ్రిగా ఎంచుకున్నారు, ఫాతిమని తల్లిగా స్వీకరించారు. పార్థసారథి స్వామి దయతో వారు శ్రీపెరుంబూరులో అవతరించారు. పార్థసారథి స్వామి దయతో వారు శ్రీపెరుంబూరులో అవతరించారు. మన ఇలయార్ వానులై వాసికారు, మన ఇలయార్ వానులై వాసికారు. జయం జయం రామానుజా. జై వైదిక మతమును వాడు నిలబెట్టాడు శరణాగతి మార్గమును చాటి చెప్పాడు మోక్షమునకు అందరూ అర్హులన్నారు విశిష్టాద్వైతమును స్థాపించారు మోక్షమునకు అందరూ